Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes, and pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is one simple fix for gift card and business email compromise or BEC scams. Now, I just posted on my new scam alerts page that's on my site, so sign up for that if you haven't, about another instance of a gift card scam where the boss of the team member had his email hacked, and then the team member received an email from who he thought was his boss to buy 4 gift cards. Now, eventually he was asked to send the numbers from the back of the gift cards, which is a total red flag. And you can guess what happened next. Yep, they were out of $400 for 4 Google Play cards. Now, for most social engineering schemes to work, there needs to be some element of urgency or intimidation, right? So it's the boss, so I need to do it, or it's the boss and I want to make a good impression. And this is the same with some business email compromise scams where fraudsters will pretend to be your vendor or your boss, CFO, C-suite level, CEO, and then ask you to update vendor banking details or perhaps to send a wire to a vendor. And with all of these, my first thought is if you take away the boss's email, you take away the risk of fraudsters perpetrating them. So in a nutshell, stop the practice of having the boss reach out via email to ask for transactions that involve payments. And when you do that, 2 things, or at least 2 things that I know of will happen. The first one is it will require the payment or change request to go through the proper process. So if gift cards needs to be purchased, why send it through to a support level team member anyway? I mean, where are they getting the cash to purchase the gift card? Petty cash? Have the bosses purchase the gift cards themselves or follow the approved process, which I am sure is not an email to a support level team member. Also, if you require a company branded ACH form to change vendor banking along with other supporting documentation, do that. It will not be included in that email from your boss, CEO, or other C-suite level position. The second thing it does is it makes the transactions part of the audit process. So by following the appropriate process, the audit procedure or process will apply. Again, making sure that fraud risk is minimal. Now, hopefully you can present this to your leadership and they will agree that getting payment request activities that can result in fraudulent payments out of their email will reduce fraud. Now, if you'd like more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to my website, debrarrichardson.com, for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and bad vendor data. So good luck and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.